Now let us discuss file related command. So first is get. So what is the syntax for it? That get file. So what it will do, that it file displays file content. File માં જે content છે એ display કરે છે. Then get or symbol of greater than file. So it creates new file. Then get double greater than symbol file appends data to an existing file. So what is the usage of it? That it display file contents, create new file, or append data to an existing file. Second one is ls, list files. So its syntax is ls directory. So what is the usage of it? That list out contents of a directory. So options A, D, F, I, S. List out all files including hidden ones. Then D for list only directories. Then F means mark directories with hash, executable file with star, and symbolic links with @ and sockets with =. L, which is a long listing showing protection, number of links, owner, file size, and time of last modification. S is for size in kilobytes. So ls command is very useful because it do many things like list out contents of directory, files, hidden one files. Then if we need that number of links, owner, size, then we can use L. Okay, so this is second one, list files. Third command is cp, copy command. Its syntax is cp -irp file1 file2 target. So copies a file or group of files. So what is usage is it copies a file. So I is for interactive copying, asks before overwriting a destination file. Destination file overwrite થાય છે કોપી કરવામાં, તો એ આપણને પહેલાં પૂછશે. And R for recursive copy, means it copies directory structure. And the fourth command is mv, move or rename file. Syntax for it mv then bracket માં dash if file to target. So usage is renames file or moves a file or group of file. So એનું example જોઈએ એટલે વધારે idea આવશે. mv file rename file 1 to file 2. Okay, and so mv file 1 તો એ શું કરશે? તો કે file 1 ને rename કરશે file 2. ઓકે, તો આપણે એવું લખ્યું હોય mv file 1 file 2, તો file 1 ને rename કરી દેશે file 2 માં. બરાબર છે? So mv old archive, so it moves old file to the directory archive. બરાબર, એ શું કરશે? મૂવ કરશે ઓલ્ડ ફાઇલને કેમાં? તો કે જે ડાયરેક્ટરી આર્ચિવ છે એમાં. The next one is rm, remove file. So its syntax is rm fir file. What it do is it remove files, delete files. So various options are there. irf. So first is interactive removal, second is recursive removal, and the F for forceful removal. So interactive removal એટલે શું? તો કે remove કરતા પહેલા પૂછે. Recursive removal એટલે perform recursive deletion in directory. And forceful removal removes write protected files also. જે write protected file છે એને પણ remove કરી દેશે. Okay, the next command is wc. So its syntax is wc file. What it do is it counts number of characters, words and lines in given input file. કેટલા number of character છે, word છે અને line છે એ કાઉન્ટ કરીને આપશે. If file is not given, it takes input from standard input. So there are various option is available. L, which counts number of lines, W, which counts number of words, and C, which counts number of characters. Okay, then seventh one is CMP. So So what it will do is it do compare files. So compare file 1, file 2. So usage is compare two files and gives locations of first mismatch કે જ્યાં mismatch થતું હોય એ first location provide કરશે. The next one is diff. Syntax is diff file 1, file 2. So its usage is compares two files and gives location of mismatch as well as suggests changes to make two files identical. Difference એટલે compare કરશે, mismatchનું જે લોકેશન જે વસ્તુ કમ્પેરમાં થતી હતી એ પણ which extra functionality it suggests changes to make two file identical. તો આપણે બે આઇડેન્ટિકલ ફાઇલને સેમ બનાવી છે તો क्या चेंजेस करवाना है पण प्रोवाइड करे छे. द नेक्स्ट वन इज COMM. इट कंपेर सॉर्टेड फाइल्स. ओके, सो इट्स सिंटेक्स इज COMM 1 2 3 file 1 file 2. So it compares sorted files file 1 and file 2 line by line with no option. Produce 3 column output. Column 1 contains lines unique to file 1, column 2 contains line unique to file 2 and column 3 contain lines common to both file. એટલે કે તમે જે સોર્ટેડ ફાઇલ છે એને કમ્પેર કરાવો છો લાઇન બાય લાઇન તો એ શું કરશે, 3 પ્રોવાઈડ કરશે આપણને આઉટપુટ. પહેલું કરશે કે જે ફાઇલ 1માં લાઇન યુનિક હશે એ, કોલમ 2માં જે લાઇન યુનિક હશે ફાઇલ 2માં અને જે બંનેમાં કોમન હશે એ. સો ઓપ્શન 1 2 3. સો 1 ફોર સપ્રેસ લાઇન્સ યુનિક ટુ ફાઇલ 1, 2 ફોર સપ્રેસ લાઇન્સ unique that is to file 2 and the third one is suppress lines that appear in both files. So this 3 column is available for the output. Okay, so the 9th one is COMM compare related command. The 10th one is split. Now split means divide. So a split files into pieces. So a syntax for it, a split option file 1 prefix. So what are the various options? Hash an. So use suffix of length n and by default 2. B size. Write size bytes per output file. I number. Put number lines per output file. Dash n chunks. Generate chunks output files. So we discuss example so the idea will be very clear that split dash b 22 new file dot txt new. So split the file new file dot text into 3 separate files called new AA, new AB and new AC with each file containing 22 bytes of data. Now સાઇઝ જે ડેશ બી કરીને સાઇઝ ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે છે બરાબર, તો આપણે કેટલી સાઇઝ આપી તો કે 22 બાઇટ્સ ઓફ ડેટા બરાબર. તો જે બી લખેલું હોય તો એ શું ઇન્ડિકેટ કરે, બાઇટ્સમાં ડેટા કાઉન્ટ કરશે. નાવ તમે એલ લખો છો તો એ એલ શું કરશે, લાઇન ઇન્ડિકેટ્સ કરશે. સો સ્પ્લિટ ધ ફાઇલ ન્યૂ ફાઇલ ડોટ ટેક્સ્ટ ઇન્ટુ ફાઇલ્સ beginning with the name new, each 30 lines of text. Okay, so here L no use kairo chhe. So now you have to clear this concept that how we can divide files into pieces. Okay, so this is total 10 commands which is related to file: split, compare, different, then cmp compare, wc, rm, mv, cp, ls and get. All this command you have to remember because there is a question like explain file related command. Okay, so this is the all about file related command.